afternoon everyone, and once again thank you for watching into my YouTube channel. So today's session is I'm going to unbox the One Piece, as I mentioned before into my previous video, that I'm going to unbox these two bangers, which is 06. Alright, so I'm not going to drag it anymore. I'm going to open these boxes, these booster boxes. Alright, so we are not hoping any big hits, but of course we still put on hope that we can get any, you know, crazy cards in here. Okay, so alright, so I'm going to open all the I'm going to cut all first, so at least it's easy for me. Right. Hopefully we can get any good bangers here, my god, or any manga. Okay, let's proceed our first attempt. And rare card. Second attempt. Rare card again. Oh my, oh my. What we can pull today. I feel any good pulling of these sessions for today. Our first SR Green Bull. Put here. So since it's an SR, you guys can see? Okay, you can see. Because if not, you let me know. And don't forget to comment down below. Okay, carp. Oh, our Shirahoshi, huh? Is Shirahoshi? Is a SR or rare card? Oh, it's a rare card. Okay. Usually Hiyori or what? I forgot the character's name. Because it's so long, I never unbox the One Piece. More often I unboxing the Naruto Kai, so that's why. Rare card. Okay, so far we haven't get any hits or a big hits. Big Gecko and rare card. So what we can pull in this booster box, hopefully we can pull any good hits. Okay, Yamato and regular rare card pulling. Alright. And now, I know. Sky P Warriors. Sanji crying. My goodness. Rare card in the smoke. We already down to half of this pile. So let's see what we can pull. Oh, our first hit. I don't know, but it looks like alternate art. Oh, it's Reju. Nice. Our second SR is Reju. Okay, let's proceed. Oh, our hits of the day is SEC, I guess. Yeah, it's SEC Zoro. Nice, nice. SEC Zoro. Okay, put it here. Okay, I put it here. Zoro. Yeah, okay, just gonna see the reflections. Okay, moving forward. Rare card broke. Nice. Rare card. Oops. Our. Oh, this one is the parallel. I'm not too sure what is this card. So let's reveal it. 3, 2, 1. Oh, it's Borsalino. Nice. It's a SP, guys. It's a SP. This one is a big hit. SP. SP Borsalino. So cute. Yeah, it's a SP. Let's see. SIR. I don't know. SIR, but I know this one is SP. Okay, so that is the big hit, Borsalino. Oh, very good to put down. Okay. Okay, let's put in here. All right. So since we got the I don't want to put rare card. All right. Small. And our third SR, Momo. Regular rare card behind. Rare card Absalom. I hate this character. The looks is not nice. Alien. and rare card. Alright. Down to 3. Sorry guys. Beast. Rare card. Last two packs. Okay. And Luffy. Okay. And surely the last packs is SR. Because surely that one. Alright. As magic, what we can pull is rare card. Oh, okay. So we'll keep this one first. Right. So we'll do the recap. Momo, Reiju, Rainbow, okay. And our hits is SP Borsalino and SEC SEC Zoro. Alright, let's proceed to the next box, okay? Sorry guys. Why I always hit. Sorry. Alright. Hopefully we can get a big hit in here. Hopefully we can get a big hit. Alright, let's begin. Oh, first is Green Bull. Oh my god. Is this the sign? Please lah, don't give me some give me some juicers. Give me some juicers. Okay, next. First blood is Green Bull, my goodness. Okay. Something juicers. Okay, right. Okay, next. Oh, look, that is Reiju. Oh my god, why is so it's like deja vu, guys. Why is like that? Deja vu. My god, give me some juicers, please. Oh my. Okay, if deja vu, but the high hits is a manga, I won't complain, you know. Okay, this one is one of my need also into my deck. Yeah. Alright, okay. I think I need to keep this because this is what I need. Okay, down to half of this pile. Right. Shirahoshi. Oh, Tashigi. Shirahoshi. Tashigi rare card. Oh, and rare card. I don't know who's in the rare card. Alright guys, sorry if I'm a little bit quiet. Pudding rare card. Because something I'm thinking, but you know, Kaya and rare card, event card. Hopefully we can pull any big hits in this booster pack. Give me some juicers. Okay, the one, the smoke. Alright. Okay, we already gone through the half of the pile, so we are heading to the hits soon. Okay. I think I still need this because Mami yellow card I need. Alright. Rare card Brook. Next, moving forward. Rare card the common leader card. Okay. GG, our third SR. Okay, next. Rare card. Alright. Next. Oh, our hits of the day. Yellow. It's AA Hiyori. Oh, Momonosuke. It's AA Alternate Arts. Momo. I think this one is not bad. But for the AA wise, I don't know which one is the highest in the market. So we'll see if we can pull any leader card or a standalone. Okay, it's a AA Momo. Let us see if we can pull the leader card. So no more chance for God Pack or something. So far I haven't experienced the God Pack so long already. And I am not rooting on it, but you know, if you are lucky enough, then you are lucky enough. Not always that you can pull a good stuff in your content. Correct? And another rare card. So we down to the last packs, last pack magic. Hopefully we can get any good stuff in here. So let's proceed. Alright. Leader. So hopefully it's a stand. Oh, it's a rare card. So it's a standalone AA card. Alright. That's all, folks. So we will do the a recap of what we pull in this booster box. All right, let's proceed. So Shuraya, Reiju, Rainbow, and AA Momo. Nice, very nice. All right, guys. So if you are watching until these last sessions of the unboxing of One Piece 06, and if you like it, please do hit like, share, and comment down below. And of course, don't forget also to hit the subscribe button, which is in front of you. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe, and see you for the next unboxing session. And hopefully you enjoy it today. Have a good day. Goodbye.